आज की शाम को जो सबसे पहला पैनल मैं यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट कर रही हूँ, इट इज़ वेरी स्पेशल. इट्स कॉल्ड SOS. It's PCOS. We are trying to make it light, but it is pretty heavy a condition क्योंकि हर दूसरी तीसरी वुमन जो है वो झेल रही है आज की तारीख में. So इसके बारे में बात करने के लिए I have some amazing experts and I'm so grateful and so thankful to our sponsors, Dr. LH Hiranandani Hospital Powai, कि उन्होंने हमें ये मौका दिया कि हम इन्हें यहाँ इस स्टेज पर हमारे साथ में लेकर के आ पाएं. तो सबसे पहले वी हैव ऑन दिस पैनल Dr. Rakhi Ritesh Sahu, obstetrician and gynecologist from Dr. LH Hiranandani Hospital, Powai. She's a full-time consultant there, so actually you can also meet her there. Dr. Rakhi, please come on stage, join me. Next up, we have Dr. Hetal Parekh, IVF expert from Dr. LH Hiranandani Hospital, Powai. Thank you so much, Dr. Hetal, for joining us here. Next, a very, very dear friend, Khyati Rupani, who's the founder of Balanced Nutrition. She's a leading dietitian with 19 years of experience. She's transformed 75,000 plus lives, including her own, जिनकी जर्नी के बारे में हम बात करेंगे कुछ ही देर के बाद. Imagine Khyati 40 kgs plus from here. I'm sure you would have still looked very hot. Thank you so much, Khyati, for joining me and welcome. Please have a seat. Next, we have Pooja Kochar. She's an art-based mental wellness coach and certified abstract artist. She merges her decade-long corporate experience with her passion for art to address women's and kids' mental health. She's the founder of Heart Community Art Studio, and she also has a very exciting painting workshop coming up today at Mommy's Day Out. Pooja, thank you so much for joining me here. And lastly, but actually most importantly, we have Himani Davda, who is also known as Mama Learns on Instagram. She's a content creator, lawyer, company secretary, but most importantly for today, she is our community partner. So give it up for Himani Davda, the first half of Navi Mumbai Divas. Kanika Bhatia being the second half. She'll join us in a bit. Thank you so much for joining me, Himani. Please have a seat. डॉक्टर राखी, सबसे पहले मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहती हूँ कि PCOS affects millions of women, लेकिन फिर भी मुझे लगता है this is misunderstood. So कुछ myths क्या है PCOS से जुड़े हुए, या आप बता सकते हैं?
Yes, Ruchi. The full form of PCOS is polycystic ovarian syndrome. You rightly said it is PCOS. पहले इसको PCOD बोला जाता था. And lot of people ask me कि PCOD और PCOS में क्या फर्क है? D was standing for disease and S for syndrome. So very rightly कि this is not a disease. Suppose some 16-year-old girl comes to me और मैं उसको बोलूँ तुमको PCOD है, first thing she will think I have a disease and मैं बीमार हूँ and something has to be done drastic about it. But no, it is a syndrome, means it is a metabolic syndrome. It is not that something is wrong with your ovaries. It is your hormonal imbalance. It is coming from your brain, your ovaries, your uterus. So it is not a disease and it can be treated. It's a myth कि भाई nothing can be done about it. Of course, there is no permanent cure, but it can be definitely controlled with lifestyle modification and medicines.
Thank you so much, Dr. Rakhi. Dr. Hetal, tell me one thing. हम PCOS के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Hormonal imbalances. चलिए, this is more than I think PCOS. It's about general hormonal health as well. Do you think that? I think that it is genetic. Can you tell me if this is genetic and it can happen just because आपके family lineage में?
Yes, it does run in families. Okay, it has a polygenic inheritance, means there is no specific gene associated with it. Multiple genes are there. It may be associated, but definitely we can keep it under control with our lifestyle management. As all of these lovely ladies are saying, that yes, lifestyle, we can keep it under control. Genes is not in our hands. We can have genes of polycystic ovaries. It does run in families, but lifestyle does control everything. It may not progress. It will not go to metabolic syndrome where you have diabetes, hyperinsulinemia, hypertension. ये सब हम progress होने से we can control all these things if there is a good lifestyle. No, weight should be managed, stress should be managed, a good diet has to be there, and we can control our polycystic ovaries. And believe me, 10% of weight loss also, as Dr. Rakhi has said, that spontaneous pregnancies, yes, 10% of weight loss downgrades our treatment. That is, if somebody was to be for IVF, can conceive with a smaller procedure like IUI. Somebody for IUI can get pregnant spontaneously, and we have seen this day in and day out. So, lifestyle, lifestyle, and lifestyle. This is the mantra for controlling our PCOS.
Thank you so much. Pooja, I think you had something to say. Himani, give us.
So we have a studio actually, and वहाँ पे बहुत सारी women आती हैं who are not very confident about their body, and a lot of them are going through PCOS. And the thing is, it plays so much on their mind that they let it affect everything else. So the lifestyle change that you're talking about, sometimes it starts from here. And I feel that a lot of women draw inspiration from art, because the first step is to accept that yes, I am going through something, because of that my body is this way and it can be corrected. So sometimes when words are not enough, art really helps, and that's what I am trying to put out there. And I'm trying to tell as many women as possible that this is also a very, very interesting way to deal with your emotions.
Yeah,
Wow.
so it is not only weight reduction, exercise, stress management also plays one of the very, very important roles in controlling PCOS. So, along with stress management, even the weight loss and all other, we are positive about what we do. So, all these things work out much better when there is stress management.
इनफैक्ट रुचि एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज याद आ रही है सो people generally ask me hormonal imbalances. I've had it in my teens. I didn't know. So 20s में पता चला, 30s में I've lived through it. After Trisha, I was 100 kilos again after delivery. सोचो. So I mean, it was hormones, and अभी adenomyosis again, endometriosis का cousin है. So they generally tell me that which is the hardest to lose weight, and emotionally also draining क्या होता है तो ना. I always tell them, सास बहू की लड़ाइयाँ, try and mark it. बहू PMS कर रही होती है and सास menopause कर रही होती है. Right? Trust me, try and time it. That is why today we are a lot more smarter to zip up when we are PMSing, okay, or inform that दिमाग खराब होने वाला है. Take it with a pinch of salt. So yeah, that was one interesting thing I wanted to say.
So as you were telling, period होना normal है और period नहीं होना abnormal होना चाहिए ना. But lot of ladies, you realize they come to the doctor, एक महीना period नहीं आया, you were tired, you were busy, you were traveling, you may just forget it. But after 2 months you have not got your period, suddenly you realize, oh, I have not got my period. First thing always everybody should do is rule out pregnancy. At whatever age, you will say, I'm only 35, I'm 40. No. Till the age of 48, 49, till you reach menopause, any missed period can be pregnancy. So you have done a self-pregnancy test. It is 99% accurate. Pretty good ki negative hai. You can wait. But we should not jump ki jab 10 दिन लेट हो गए मेडिसिन ले ले. नहीं. We always say wait for 45 days, 2 months. अगर 2 months हो गए हैं पीरियड नहीं आ रहा है, and you should observe for next 2 months. अगर वो पीरियड नहीं आ रहा है तो go to your doctor, get basic test done. One is hemoglobin, thyroid, sugar. ये 3 चीज है which can happen at the age of 20, 30, 40, 50, whatever. Thyroid is 90% diagnosed in women first when she misses her period. She's saying, I'm having hair fall, I'm feeling so bloated, my feet is swollen, I am feeling so tired, fatigue, period भी आगे पीछे आ रहे हैं, या they have become lesser and lesser. कि I have bled only for 2 days, 3 days. First, the doctor, if you go to a doctor, they would say, please do a thyroid test. And the same symptoms are also true for diabetes. Like you would just feel थोड़ा weight gain हुआ, bloating हो रहा है, feeling tired, and you would never know कि sugar, random sugar is 300 and 400. So basic test is a must.
Dr. Rashi, so this panel is essentially about supplementing. So of course, broccoli ऐसे नहीं खाते, तो हम पराठे बनाते हैं, and almost tastes like gobi का पराठा. Somehow or the other, all of us mothers try
to give our children those, little supplements, natural form में. But what have you got to say about the supplements that are now there in the market? हमने तो बचपन से दूध में कुछ ना कुछ मिला के पिया है क्योंकि बताया जाता था कि अच्छा है. Only to now know that it's not good at all. But still there are other supplements now जो कि कहते हैं कि अच्छे हैं. किस सिचुएशन पे आपको लगता है कि a mother should feel कि अब देना चाहिए?
Yeah, so one thing you should always get it checked with your doctor what supplement you are planning to give, because a lot of them have added sugars
Right.
and they have very less fiber or protein. So by giving supplements, our main concern is to increase the protein and the fiber. If
But what about multivitamins? Because हम लोग तो अब multivitamins ऐसे खाते हैं जैसे लेना ही है.
So even the multivitamins you can get through eating fresh fruits and vegetables.
पर खाते का ये तो मेरा मम्मी फुल है मेरा tummy.
So that
वही
is
तो
why
problem है.
that is why you guys are already becoming creative by making broccoli paratha. I never had it in my life. So I have been listening to all this, and this basically they like colorful plate. So if you have a colorful plate, they will pick and eat a few things. And if you feel you're not giving enough multivitamins, a doctor can examine the child and get to know कि इसको micronutrient deficiencies है, तो हम थोड़ा सा multivitamin supplement syrup form में दे देंगे. Mostly, in fact, I don't give unless I have checked the child through blood tests and everything. Because excess of anything is bad. Even though nowadays multivitamins also have added sugars in them.
Yes.
So you have to read everything, whatever you are giving to the child. Mostly, and the supplements that you put in the milk are of no use because they
Correct.
definitely have some sweetening agents and all.
Preservatives,
Yes,
additives.
preservatives. They have ultra processed fruits.
Yeah.
They have a risk of cancer, cardiovascular diseases, diabetes later on in life. अभी आपको दिखेगा आपका बच्चा मोटा हो रहा है, healthy हो रहा है, but he may not have that
That's
later in
true.
life. So that is where it is okay to be lean. What you have to see is that the child should be active and not a very cranky kid. Very active and healthy, and not come back panting and almost tired and all. So ultimately, I feel थोड़ा सा भी अगर आपको doubt है, you can go to your pediatrician and they can tell you whether it's actually required or not. So 90% times no.
What have you got to say about picky eaters and picky eating as a habit in children? Is it normal? Is it like a negative milestone which we should be okay with?
Yeah, this is the most common question I get in the OPD every day almost. So picky eaters का एक age होता है. Usually it is till 4 years of age, and I feel you should not force feed a child. And only if you feel your child is undernourished and you feel anemic, that is for your doctor to decide. Then you need to force certain food items or supplements into their diet. But उनका growth थोड़ा सा slow जाता है, तो आपको force feed नहीं करना चाहिए, because once they start crying, their hormones get released, which break their hunger even more. तो एकदम पेट उनका भर जाता है. So stress hormones. Yes. So you're not supposed to make a child cry. I know it is like
हम तो 90s में हमें रुलाया जाता था क्योंकि रोते हैं तो मुंह खुल जाता है ना, मुंह खुल गया.
पर ये इंडियन माई कैसे समझे?
So ठूसना नहीं है. When they want, their body will ask for it. They'll eat जितना उनका body
No,
बोलेगा.
Dr. Rashi, I'm sure you have the other problem. क्योंकि 90s में बच्चों को ठूस के खिला देते थे. अब हम तो जेंटल पेरेंटिंग कर रहे हैं ना. हो सकता है ये मुड़ करके बोलेंगे खिला दो बच्चों को यार.
There's this one question I want to ask each one of you, the same question, one by one. So then we will start with you. अगर आपको एक दिन के लिए आदमी बनने का मौका मिल जाए, if you were to be a man for one day of your life, क्या करेंगे आप? What is that first thing that you would want to do?
First of all, I'll tell you who I would want to be.
Oh, अच्छा. Oh, somebody
I would want to be
specific.
my husband,
Okay.
who sits without any guilt in the bathroom for 1 hour.
The same.
I don't want to be any Shah Rukh Khan, any Richard Gere, nobody. I want to be Mr. Aditya Kapadia, who can sit in the bathroom without feeling guilty. Because when I am in the bathroom, I'm like, I can hear him. Okay, Charu, get your business done fast and get out of here. But he can sit, so I envy him and I want to be him and him only.
And be in the bathroom. Amita, what would you do?
I think my husband has this habit that when I'm sitting with him, he's okay. But मैं अगर दूसरे कमरे में होंगी ना, he'll keep calling me, Janu, Janu, Janu. And I'm like, what do you need? What do you? So I want to be a man and just not talk while he's away, so he understand that is also possible in life. उसके बिना भी जिंदगी जी जा सकती है, बिना जानू 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 या बिना बुलाए. So yeah, I think
That's what I want to do with it.
Lovely.
It is. But कुछ बोलने के लिए होना भी तो चाहिए. जानू, जानू,
But
जानू. Yes,
listen,
it wants you to be
Raga
around.
Singh Janu Janu also must be in some sur or tal.
some
now.
sur, yeah.
Must be musical.
Everything
musical
is musical.
instrument.
Everything is musical.
Oh. Yuvika, please tell me.
So same, I just want to see what potential is he unlocking inside जो कि बाहर नहीं होता है. मतलब क्या
Lock करके क्या unlock कर रहे हो?
unlock कर रहे हो? I really want to feel that, like that feeling कि वो अंदर जाके how much time can you take in the bloody how can you not feel guilty? Forget your child. बाकी भी तो चीजें हैं, your work, that is suffering. So I want to be as carefree as him for one day.
क्या बात है यार? All right. The very famously infamous game. जाना माना हुआ एक ऐसा game जो कि सब जानते हैं. Never have I ever. So are you guys ready for this game?
Yes.
This is Never Have I Ever Mom Guild Special on Radio Nasha presents Mommy's Day Out. Never have I ever used the F word in front of my child. What?
Guilty. I
Of
have.
course I have.
My child corrects me.
My child once said O for OSHIT. Okay. Never have I ever let my child win a game because बहुत थक गए थे यार.
Win
a game.
Yeah. All the time.
Not applicable.
Oh, chotu abhi. Okay. This will be applicable to you. Never have I ever told my child कि खिलौना टूट गया है तुम्हारा क्योंकि वो खिलौना बहुत आवाज करता था. Now my daughter is going to ask me कौन सा खिलौना था वो वापस चाहिए. I hope my daughter doesn't watch this. Tanvi, I need to spoil you a little. Never have I ever pretended to not listen to Mama. I have. मुझे थोड़ा पीस मिले है ना?
Of course, we have.
Guilty. So you want to pretend to not listen to Janu, but you listen to Mama all the time. Huh? Very
I
bad.
have actually done that to my husband. Let him keep saying. But when my child says, I'm like, oh my god, I'm ignoring him. No, I have to answer back.
That's why you are a mother content creator, not a wife content creator. All right, never have I ever used television, Peppa Pig, Coco Melon as a babysitter to my child. Always. See, I told you. My very dear, idealistic.
He's too small, yaar. Never.
She reached the stage.
मेरे सारे answers never गए हैं. Please give me one other question now where I say
But
this.
Peppa Pig is for that age.
No screen.
She'll very soon be there.
Never have I ever arrived early at an event only to realize कि हमारे कपड़े के ऊपर कुछ तो ऐसे दाग लगे हुए हैं जो हमें भी पता नहीं है कहाँ से आए हैं. Thanks to our children.
Not this. Not this.
Thanks to coffee that you're having and these bumps that falls on you.
Achha, but not because of your child. I meant
No.
like formula, milk.
Now we have outgrown that phase. Huh?
But that time
कभी
also
तो
never.
life में. All right, last one. Never have I ever cancelled plans just because I was too exhausted looking after my child.
Have.
Thank God you guys
We
did
still
not.
do that.
That's what I'm saying.
I just told you I cancelled a plan.
Thank God that you guys did not cancel out on this plan and you made it to Radio Nasha presents Mommy's Day Out. It means the world to me. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for this beautiful panel and the amazing panelists.
Wave Beats Music.
Radio Nasha.